ever felt overwhelmed by life's storms, tangled up in emotions, and wishing for a way out? What if the key to enhancing your well-being is hidden in the wonders of creativity? Picture yourself standing before the canvas of your life, where each day brings a new stroke of experience, emotion, and reflection. Your mind weaves together the threads of joy, sorrow, hope, and despair. Have you ever noticed how the colors on this mental canvas can sometimes blur into a chaotic mosaic, mirroring the turbulence within? Consider the times when a melody encapsulates the melancholy you cannot put into words, or when the stroke of a paintbrush unveils the beauty hidden within your emotions. The creative process becomes a language, a silent dialogue with the self, allowing you to communicate the ineffable nuances of your internal world. It is during these moments that the connection between your creativity and mental health becomes palpable. The canvas is not just a passive surface. It becomes an active collaborator in your journey, absorbing the raw emotions and reflecting back the intricate mosaic of your thoughts. This act of creation, whether conscious or instinctive, allows you to confront the shadows within and transform them into tangible expressions. Research suggests that individuals facing emotional turmoil often experience a surge in creative expression as a means of coping. The shadows within prompt a search for outlets, and creativity becomes a compelling avenue for self-discovery and healing. Consider a time when the weight of the world seems insurmountable, when the shadows threaten to engulf you. In these moments, creativity emerges as a trusted ally, offering a channel to externalize and process the complexities of your inner world. It becomes a therapeutic tool, a means to confront, understand, and transform the shadows within into something tangible, meaningful, and, at times, even cathartic. Imagine your brain as a grand stage where neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers, take on the roles of choreographers in this elaborate ballet. Dopamine, often associated with pleasure and reward, steps into the limelight, orchestrating the feelings of joy and satisfaction that accompany creative endeavors. Serotonin, the mood stabilizer, contributes its graceful moves, promoting emotional balance and well-being during the creative process. In moments of creative inspiration, your brain experiences a surge of dopamine. As you engage in creative activities, whether it be painting, writing, or composing music, the reward system in your brain is activated. This release of dopamine not only enhances your mood, but also serves as a natural motivation, reinforcing the positive aspects of your creative pursuits. Picture this surge as a cascade of positive energy, infusing vitality into the canvas of your mind. Alongside dopamine, serotonin takes on the responsibility of maintaining emotional equilibrium. Creative expression has been linked to an increase in serotonin levels, acting as a natural mood stabilizer. This balancing act becomes crucial, especially during periods of emotional turbulence. Picture serotonin as the steady hand guiding you through the highs and lows of the creative process, ensuring a harmonious dance of emotions. The chemical reactions within your brain are a natural remedy for emotional well-being. Unlike external substances, the neurotransmitters released during creative pursuits offer a wholesome and sustainable source of mental health support. If you find yourself hesitant due to a lack of experience or a perceived absence of artistic skills, consider these accessible and liberating approaches to unleash your creativity. Daily doodles and scribbles. Begin your creative exploration with simple daily doodles or scribbles. Set aside a few minutes each day to let your pen move freely across the paper. Release any expectations and enjoy the process of spontaneous creation. This exercise not only fosters a sense of freedom, but also invites you to discover patterns, shapes, and emotions unique to your expression. Mindful coloring. Engage in mindful coloring activities, using adult coloring books with intricate patterns. This practice doesn't require artistic prowess, but provides a meditative experience. As you color, focus on the sensations, the strokes of the pencil, the blend of colors, and the gradual transformation of the page. It's a calming and accessible way to immerse yourself in the world of creativity. Collage creation. Experiment with collage making using magazines or newspapers. Cut out images, words, or phrases that resonate with you and arrange them on a piece of paper. Collages offer a tactile and visual means of self-expression without the need for drawing or painting skills. This activity encourages you to play with textures, colors, and themes, allowing for a unique and personal creation. Found object sculptures. Discover the joy of creating small sculptures using found objects from your surroundings. Collect everyday items, bottle caps, twigs, or buttons, and arrange them into a three-dimensional composition. This hands-on activity not only introduces you to the art of sculpting, but also prompts you to see ordinary objects in a new, creative light. Nature-inspired creations. Nature serves as a rich source of inspiration for creative exploration. Gather leaves, rocks, or flowers from your backyard and use them to create a nature-inspired piece. Arrange the elements into a collage or try your hand at sketching them. This activity not only connects you with the environment, but also introduces you to the art of composition and arrangement. Creative body movement. Embrace creative movement without the constraints of formal dance training. Close your eyes, play your favorite music, and let your body move freely. This unstructured dance allows for a unique form of self-expression and emotional release. It's a personal exploration of movement and rhythm, inviting you to connect with your body in a liberating way. As you embark on this journey, release yourself from the pressure of creating flawless masterpieces. Creativity thrives in imperfection. Begin with small, manageable creative activities and stay consistent. The power of creativity lies in the cumulative effect of regular practice. Small, daily efforts can lead to significant positive changes over time. Use creativity as a language to connect with your emotions and let your creations be a reflection of your inner world. Lastly, your creativity is a personal expression of your unique voice. Celebrate your individuality and don't compare your journey to others. Now, looking ahead, what aspirations or creative goals do you have for your ongoing well-being journey? And how do you envision incorporating creativity into your life? Feel free to engage with this question in the comment section, sharing your insights and perspectives. Hit subscribe, join our community, and together, let's illuminate the world with the brilliance of understanding. Until next time, take care and let your imagination soar.